Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up MagicJack full guide. Plug the device into a USB port or included adapter and connect the RJ11 phone cable to your handset before continuing. Power on the device and wait for the indicator light to stabilize. Open the MagicJack setup page on a computer or phone, then follow prompts to create or sign into your account and choose a phone number. Now focus on account activation with a few simple steps to get calling quickly. Sign in and follow the on-screen prompts to claim or port your number and confirm billing information carefully. Verify your email when requested and accept terms to complete activation. Once confirmed, test dialing out and receiving a call to ensure your number is active and audio quality meets expectations for regular use. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear tech walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh ride after long setup sessions, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Next, I will walk through practical tips and basic troubleshooting so you avoid common hiccups. Keep the MagicJack close to your router, check all cable connections, and use the handset settings to tweak volume and echo. If calls sound poor, reboot the device and test again on a different phone or port. Use the app for voicemail and call forwarding setup to make full use of your service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.